In this problem, we are told to solve for x. Now notice we have two parts. We have an OR statement, and that's combined with an AND statement. So let's look at each part individually and solve for each part. So the first expression, 3x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 8. I can solve that, and I get x is greater than or equal to 2. The second inequality, I can subtract 3 from both sides. I got negative 2x is less than or equal to 2. Divide both sides by negative 2. Do not forget to change the inequality. So if you're dividing by negative, or multiplying by negative, I change the inequality, so instead of less than or equal to, now I'm going to get greater than or equal to, and it's going to be negative 1. So this is going to be an OR statement. And then the other part, the AND part, 3x minus 8 is greater than negative 4. When I solve this one, I get 3x is greater than 4, so x would be greater than 4 over 3. So let's look at the OR statement, x is greater than or equal to 2, or x is greater than or equal to negative 1. Now if I just look at this part, and see what would my solution be. So I want to draw myself a picture to kind of visualize what's happening. So the greater than or equal to 2 would be starting here at 2 and going to the right. Greater than or equal to negative 1 would start here negative 1 and go to the right. Now it's an OR statement, meaning I'm going to graph every possible solution. So it could possibly start at negative 1, and it could continue on and be anything greater than negative 1. So what I actually have to simplify everything, that statement could just be written as x is greater than or equal to negative 1. So now I have the x is greater than or equal to negative 1, and I know that x is greater than 4/3. Okay, so this is now what I'm looking at. So I'm going to do the same thought process as we did before. So both must be true if I were to graph each part separately. I have negative 1 here, 4/3 here, and x is greater than or equal to negative 1, start at negative 1, shade to the right, and x is greater than 4/3, it's going to be an open circle at 4/3 going to the right. Now both must be true. We're going to see where they overlap. So notice they overlap starting right here at negative 4/3 and going to the right. So my actual answer would be simply x is greater than 4 over 3. So that's going to be my answer for this problem.